Shurley method, page 52. We'll be doing exercises 4 and 5 today. So underline the negative words in each sentence and rewrite each sentence and correct the double negative mistake as identified by the rule number and parentheses at the end of each sentence. There wasn't nobody in the house, so what are our two negatives? So wasn't and nobody. And then we say rule 2, take out the negative part of the contraction. So we're going to get rid of the NT, right? So I'm going to rewrite there was nobody in the house. And then don't forget my punctuation. Number 2, the secretary didn't make no errors today. So what are my two negatives? Didn't and no. Rule 3, remove the first negative word. So I'm going to get rid of didn't. Okay. The secretary and is it going to be make, made, no errors today. So sometimes, even though you take something out, you can't just rewrite it like it is, right? You might have to change another word or something in there. Number 3, Cynthia hasn't studied no rules. So what are my two negatives? Hasn't and no. Rule number 1, change the second negative to a positive. So I'm going to put Cynthia hasn't studied. What's a positive instead of no? Any rules. Okay, you guys are going to do 4, 5, and 6 for homework. Identify each kind of sentence by writing the abbreviation in the blank. So is it a sentence, a fragment, a sentence with a compound subject, a sentence with a compound verb, a compound sentence, or a complex sentence? You must follow the directions carefully, or you will get lost. So we have the comma, right? What, and then or. So what is that? What kind of sentence? Could you make it into 2? Yes, so it's a compound sentence. My gray kitten stood on her back legs and begged for food. So we have the word and, but do we have any punctuation with it? No. So that means it's either a sentence with a compound subject or a sentence with a compound verb. So what do you think? Because of stood and begged. So sentence with a compound verb. Okay, number 9. During the afternoon after the picnic. Fragment. Number 10. Jason cleaned his room before he went skiing. It has the word before in it, so that makes it a what? Complex sentence. Okay, you guys are going to do 11 and 12 for homework. So 4, 5, 6, 11, and 12 for homework. Okay? Make sure your name is at the top of your page.